In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can clear your keyboard history. You can simply delete your keyboard predictions based on your recent texts in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. Tap on the option of General. On this page, scroll down onto the second last option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then right here you will see the option of Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Go ahead and up in your phone passcode. Then select right here on Reset Dictionary. It will erase all your text predictions on your keyboard. That's how easy it is to clear your keyboard text prediction history. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.